Welcome to Micro Hydrotechnic Pvt Ltd, your trusted source for cutting-edge hydraulic presses. Today, we are thrilled to showcase our expertise in crafting specialized machinery and in focus, the cold forging press. This precision-engineered machine is a game-changer in metal shaping through the innovative process of cold forging. Picture this: a versatile and cost-effective solution that transforms metal parts at room temperature, creating complex and precise components with unparalleled efficiency. That's the power of our cold forging press, a must-have in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and medical. At Micro Hydrotechnic Pvt Ltd, we've honed our skills in manufacturing hydraulic presses for every need, and the cold forging press is no exception. But this isn't just a machine, it's a gateway to limitless possibilities in metalworking. If you are an industry expert seeking to enhance your manufacturing capabilities, our cold forging press is the answer. Connect with our dedicated technical consultant at +919717474831 or drop us an email at sales@microhydrotechnic.co.in. Elevate your production efficiency, redefine precision, and stay ahead in your industry with Micro Hydrotechnic's cold forging press. Your journey to excellence begins with us.